Hey guys, Bingo here, and finally found it. We got the Orico M.2 SSD enclosure with Type-C and this nice transparent shell. So I just got fresh off removing my old SSD from this Legion 7i Pro. I think I mistakenly called it the 9i last time, but no, it's just a 7i. And we're gonna try this SSD enclosure from Orico. This is like 25 Australian dollars from Amazon, so it's not too bad. And I picked it because it's got the transparent theme. Oh, there were like bits and pieces in there. Anyway, let's see what we got here. We got the enclosure itself, like a really small. Got some thermal pads, USB-C, USB-A, some screws, and oh, they even give you a free screwdriver. It's pretty nice. All right, so first part is that put this. Oh, don't drop that. First thing to do is not drop that laptop, but have a look at this small enclosure. Some plastics around it, and I am not sure how to open. Oh, there we go. It just slides out like that. We got the. Oh, it's literally like just encased like that. So this is the PCB that actually reads your M.2. So okay, I'm not sure how to feel about that. Pretty much just pretty much just slide in your SSD in there. I guess just use this to keep it in place. I'm pretty sure it should go like that. Keep it there. Am I doing this right? I'm not sure. I honestly have no idea if I'm doing this the right way, but let's see if it works. Or yeah, I think that's like the most the way that makes sense. So we got this. Just screw it there at the back. Yeah, it's pretty much just to secure the SSD right there. I'm not sure if that looks pretty secured. It's pretty secured. Come on, I believe it's secured. Okay, so I think I just have to put this thermal pad. I'm pretty sure I have to put it there, right? It's actually a manual. which I forgot about. Slide the cover open, remove PCB. But yeah, it's line type C, Terra protective film. Okay, there is this. This is a thermal silicone, goes on top of here. We do have a thermal pad. Oh. I reckon that's to keep the M.2 cooled. I reckon we can just pop this here. Is that too much? I don't know. Maybe. But it's thermal compound, so yeah, should be right. Just trying to remove the other layer because yeah, if you forget about it, it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then pretty sure it's just it just slides. Oh no. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know, it felt awkward, that's why I kinda got it here. This video is going to be too long. And then this one should just slide in. Yeah. It is what it is. Try it out if it works. I'm gonna try the USB-C. Why not? Got this. Got that. Goes into USB-C. And moment of truth, USB-C on the other side. It works. Get the LED light. Yeah, we got our games here, which this was my games storage. See, I got like Call of Duty in there, that's why it's pretty much full from the beginning. Let's try and Crystal Disk Mark 8 this. I actually forgot to Crystal Disk Mark the one that yeah, let's just go for it. Yeah, I forgot to test the speeds of the SSD US75. But yeah, we got this. It's about 1,000 megabytes per second, I'm not sure if that's like quick or not, because I forgot how fast it was when it was plugged in, like inside the inside the computer. I mean, this old one. I mean, it's not too bad. Those read and write speeds, I would say. And you can actually see that the LED's blinking while it's operating. It's probably going to be doing that. It's like copying stuff. Right, I'll leave that there first. Let's have some look at the spec sheets for now. It says transmission rate of 5 gigabytes per second, but I think that depends on like how fast your drive can actually be. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. It's giving like a 900. Maybe I can Google it. Legion Pro 7i drive speeds. I mean, I'm using the Thunderbolt port, but I'm not sure that that thing supports Thunderbolt port. I'm pretty sure this one is just the, what do you call it? The cable. It's like a basic cable, I guess. And I feel it's just really loud at the background. Yeah, I think it's just the last random write happening. So, yeah, if you use this and this is the Orico M.2 SSD enclosure, and use the blue one. If you guys have any tricks to like maybe it's not using the real speed, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.